All right, guys, Crypto Kurt here with just another quick update on the Spectre ICO coming up in a couple days. It's going to happen on the 27th, or that's when they're going to invite those of us who have registered for the pre-sale to get access to their token submission address. And they're going to be announcing that a couple different ways. Just go back to this email that I got today. So a reminder that today, the 23rd of October, which of course was yesterday, you'll be able to change, it was the last day you'll be able to change your contribution amount for the pre-sale, which starts on the 27th of October. You can go to their Spectre.ai, and the token portal, if you can see here, is https:// tokensale.spectre, that's spectre.ai/login.php. A couple of tips here. Important notes: the pre-sale will be on a phased manner during the first 3 days. The people that will have already whitelisted their address will be able to log into the token sale portal and either see the ETH contribution address or see the date and the ETH contribution address will be revealed to them. Everyone will be informed in 2 ways about the actual day of their contribution. An email will be sent out on the 26th of October. Starting on the 27th, after logging in to the token sale portal, each user will be able to see on which day the ETH contribution address will be revealed to them. So I think those of us who registered early are probably going to be the winners in this one. The token sale process, first 3 days in phases. Each day phase starts at noon GMT. Each ETH address can only send 1 contribution during the first 3 days of the sale. So if you're going to do if you want to do multiple ETHs, do it all in one submission. Don't try to do multiple submissions because they're not going to accept that during the pre-ICO or the pre-sale. And if you log in earlier than your allocated day, you'll see a message with the day of their contribution instead. If a user misses their allocated day, then they will be able to contribute regardless in the following day. So the day that you're going to be given or listed is the first day that you can have access. The token sale process is the 4th phase, so from the 4th day onward, so from the 30th of October until the 5th of November, the whitelist process stops to have effect, and then everyone will be able to contribute again or contribute for the first time. So again, for those of you, us, who are interested in the pre-ICO sale, you're going to want to get in and get that sorted. You want to get your ETH purchased. I think ETH is on sale at the moment. Well, there you go. There's just what happens in a few hours. I was looking at ETH last night, and again, I look at it in Australian dollars. It was 372 last night, and again, that's what happens in a day. You get a 5.9% pop. So a lot of people must be getting ready for the Spectre ICO. So again, you want to go in here and get your Ethereum purchased and get it transferred into your MyEther wallet, which is how I'm going to suggest that you're going to do the transfer to Spectre. Again, it is an ERC20 token approved wallet, so it'll be no problem for you to get your tokens back into that wallet once you have done your submission. They will not distribute the tokens until the complete sale is finished. Okay, so you're not going to get your tokens immediately. At the end of the complete sale, then they're going to do the distribution. I just want to have a quick look at where do they have it here? Here we go. So this is just to review again quickly. There are 2 types of tokens that you can purchase. One is a dividend token for those people who want to get paid out in dividends, and a share of the profits is going to be distributed to all of the dividend holders. The other is a speculation token. A utility token. SPEC utility token. Those are going to be for the actual traders who want to trade on the platform, and you'll get some benefits by owning some of those. Also, the Spectre group is going to be getting the trading tokens onto the exchanges first. So again, if you want to try to flip this and make some flip cash on a flip ICO, you probably want to think about getting some of the utility tokens because, again, they, according to the Spectre team and the white paper, they're going to be distributed onto the exchanges first. There is a minimum purchase of 1 ETH for either one of these types of tokens. You can see the minimum cap. They're looking at 5 million total Spectre tokens, which would be a combination of the 2. 240 million total tokens is the hard cap. Let me see. We're talking about a free float of 50%, so they're going to keep 50% of the tokens in the back alley. Dividend paying token, normal dividend paid monthly, and then the special dividend, which is paid annually. The utility token privileges, 1 to 5% higher trade payouts. So you get anywhere ranging from a 1-5%. All trade expiries on smart option contracts, all assets, all trade indicators, exotic trade types. Again, they're going to be adding all kinds of different things. At the moment, basically, you're trading, I think, FX. You're trading against currency movements, and you have to choose which currency against which currency you want to go, and then you choose up or down. Looking at the allocation, 50% of the token sales are going to be sold, 5% in the bounty, 15% given to management, 20% for the M&A reserve pool, and then 10% to the legal and advisory. You can go through and you can see the proceeds usage and how they're actually going to allocate the tokens, or the money that they get actually. And then you can see some information here about the incorporation and, of course, their website. So once again, just a quick update on Spectre and what's happening. So the pre-ICO sale is occurring on the 27th of the 10th at GMT. What did they say? Let's hold on a second. There we go. Starts at noon GMT. So if my timing is correct, for those of us in Australia, we're going to be looking at 10 p.m. on the day of the sale. So you're going to be, I think the ICO is going to open for us here in Australia at 10 p.m. our time on the night of the 27th. Again, if you're somewhere else in the world, you can see what I did. I just put in 12 noon and then GMT time. Google was smart enough to know where I am, so it put me into my local time. I think if you put your time in, you would also get the same results, and you'd be able to figure out what time of day actually is 12 p.m. GMT time, which is Greenwich Mean Time for you. So hopefully, guys, this is a bit of a help. Again, it's pretty exciting. These guys, once again, are the world's first brokerless financial trading platform. There's a huge buzz going on about this. Again, there's a couple thousand people in their Telegram account. I think this is going to be one that might just blow up and might make us all some money. And again, I'm not going to go through it now, but there is a whole huge passive income opportunity. I've done another video where you can do that. Maybe I'll do a link to that in the description of this video. But the passive income is quite dramatic. And again, I've based my calculations on a very conservative approach, and I used the numbers that Spectre used in their spreadsheets. You can see there's a couple of other guys who have done videos where they've gone and played with the numbers and gotten some, spectacular payout results. But again, they're manipulating the numbers, so you have to be careful about that. Again, I'm playing it conservative here, and we'll see how we go. But again, I'm excited. This thing's going to launch in a couple days. Just another crazy ICO that you can add to your portfolio. And once again, guys, today is the first day of the rest of your life. Take some action. Get involved. This is not financial trading advice. This should be construed for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, guys, Crypto Kurt out.